Hello students, this is Sure Success Classes. In this session, we are going to learn integers. We know numbers. Numbers are nothing but natural numbers, whole numbers. And if you have any query related to numbers, you may go for that video related to numbers and it is available on my channel. Then integers. Here we have discussed about numbers. They are natural numbers, whole numbers, and we can perform certain operations with whole numbers. We know that. I will write here some examples. 4 plus 1. We can do this. Our answer will be whole number here. If I write here 5 minus 2, here we can easily get answer 3. It is also whole number. But if I want to subtract 7 minus 9, is it possible by using whole numbers? No, it is not possible. And for that, new set of numbers is invented, and that set is nothing but integers. So let's learn more about integers. We will try to understand the concept of integers with this number line. We know at middle there is 0, and to right side of the 0 the numbers are positive, and to left side of this 0 the numbers are in negative. They carry negative sign with them, and these negative numbers and positive numbers including 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. It is neutral. They form the set of integers. Got it? Students, we know each number is having its own numerical value. When we move to right side of the 0, the numerical value of the number increases. But opposite to this, when we move left side to the 0, the value of the number, whether it will increase or decrease? Yes, it will decrease. Let me explain this with the help of an example. Here, if I write 3 and 1, when we compare these two numbers, at that time we know 3 is greater than 1 because we are moving right side to this 0. Value increases. That's why 3 is greater than 1, or in simple words we can say 1 is less than 3. Here we can take an example. If I write minus 3 and minus 1, the value of the number decreases. As I told you, the value of the number decreases. Means minus 3 is less than minus 1. Here, though it is 1, but it is having negative sign with it. That's why minus 1 is greater than minus 3 and minus 3 is less than minus 1 because value decreases when we move left side of the 0. Got it? Let's sum up this session with these examples. We will solve these examples. Here we have to compare these numbers by using greater than and smaller than symbol. Here first example is minus 7 and plus 10. Minus 7 plus 10. We know when we move right side of this 0, the value increases. So 10 is greater than minus 7, or minus 7 is less than 10. Here value increases. We will solve this one. 29 minus 63. In the same way, this is positive integer, and positive integer is always greater than negative integer. So 29 is greater than minus 63. Here both are having minus sign with them. How can we decide? As I told you, when we move left to 0, the value, numerical value of the number decreases. So minus 8 is greater than minus 15, or in other words we can write minus 15 is less than minus 8. Got this point? I hope with these examples your concept will get clear. Students, please pay your attention here. Some notable points are there related to integers. First one is, all positive integers are greater than all negative integers. Positive 1 or plus 1 is the smallest positive integer, and opposite to this, all negative integers are smaller than all positive integers. And here minus 1 is greatest negative integer. I repeat, minus 1 is the greatest negative integer. Got it?